This year, we are 55 years young.
Manufacturing is in our blood. Our heritage is that of burnt steel, the pain of strict quality control, making the impossible possible, and long, hard hours of labor to get the job done. Our language is distinctly Southeast Asian, Malaysian, Thai, Indonesian, and Filipino. Even though we sound different to you, we are one body, acting in unison through our shared values, cultures, and ambitions. But our hearts and minds march to a different tune, that of the reason for our existence, our customers, you. We are a regional materials handling company with an international clientele and outlook, exporting to more than 30 countries around the world. But our catchphrase is local. Wherever our customers are, we strive to be there, within their reach and call. That is why we have 4 factories, 9 branches and warehouses across Asia, and growing, each with a full operations team and infrastructure, looking after our customers way beyond the initial purchase. From boom lifts to forklifts to hand pallet trucks, warehousing and retail equipment such as roll cages, shopping carts, wire cages, and pallets, there is nobody quite like us. From the first contact, our sales and marketing teams consult, visit, and interpret our customers' requirements. Then our factories produce carefully and quickly before making the delivery. At times through oceans and continents, and the last mile is undertaken mostly by our own delivery fleet. Even though it may be cheaper otherwise, we can't take a chance that a delay may occur. After the delivery, this is when our job really starts. Training, troubleshooting, spare parts, fine-tuning the order or product. Our customer engages with us easily. Our initial value proposition becomes clearer and clearer to them.
The pallet mesh, basically, it helps us improve our productivity, meaning we don't need to use pallet anymore. We're moving the items using the pallet mesh. Now, for the jack pallet, is that this is one of the items or equipment that we had, which is actually more sturdy compared to our last supplier. It's actually, I think, one of our best purchase here in Lazada right now.
ก็เป็นลูกค้าของบันไงครับมาหลายปีแล้วนะครับก็ที่วิสโก้หัวทะเลนครราชสีมาแห่งนี้นะครับก็ใช้รถเข็นของบันไง2รุ่นนะครับรุ่นท้องแบนหรือแฟลตเบดกับรุ่นช้อปปิ้งคาร์ทนะครับก็ใช้ได้ดีปกตินะครับก็มีความทนทานเป็นที่น่าพอใจนะครับแล้วก็เป็นลูกค้าก็ใช้งานได้เป็นที่น่าพอใจเช่นกันปีนี้ของวิสโก้ก็เป็นปีที่2แล้วนะครับเพิ่งเปิดกิจการมาได้ปีที่2ก็หวังว่าถ้าเกิดใช้ได้ของรถเข็นของบันไงได้ดีก็จะเป็นลูกค้าของบันไงต่อไปหรือยังไงก็ขอบคุณนะครับ
Internally, we unite and work with a focus and determination, each day searching for better ways to serve our purpose. How do we manufacture better? How can the design be more intuitive? How can we forecast our customers' needs before they themselves can? How do we become a better partner to our customers without even them knowing that we are there? We are Ban Ngai, and we are ready to serve you.